What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Toyota Highlander hybrid here with me today, and I'm going to be showing you where the hybrid battery cooling fan filters are located. Okay, so if we go to the second row seat, and right here on the outside of the seat in this trim panel here, there's actually a filter that filters the air that gets pulled into where the hybrid battery is located in this vehicle, and actually cools down the battery with that air. And what we do is we filter this air so it doesn't get filled with dirt. Okay, there's a filter on this side. This is the driver's side, and on the passenger side there's an exact filter in the exact same spot. So I'm just only going to show you this one side, how to pull it out and service it. Okay, so what you want to do is on this panel here, there is a seam. You can try to get your fingernails in here, or get yourself a pry tool, a plastic one preferred if you're not very skilled at pulling panels off so you don't mar up the plastic. I'm just going to use this little screwdriver I have here because I'm pretty good at this. And what you want to do is pull it towards you and unclip it, and then you can pull it out this way, remove this panel. It's going to be the same side on the passenger side there, but if you look at this filter, you can see all the trash that's in here. There's a bunch of dog hair and like leaves and things, because this thing lives kind of in a bad place, but this is where the air goes in and cools the hybrid battery. Now there's a clip on this side that we're going to push to the left, and then we can pull this guy out. It releases it. It's a little tricky to do with the left hand, but you go like this. Okay, now Toyota wants you to service this filter every 20,000 miles. Okay, they want you to at least take a look at it. And this vehicle here has about 40,000 on it, and it's never been done. No one's ever looked at it. So Toyota actually tells you that you can blow these out, okay, and reuse them all the way up forever if you just blow them out every 20,000 miles, or you can just replace them. I will have a part number in a description box for these filters if you want to just replace it. Like this one here is so bad that we're going to replace it. I'm going to end up putting it back in here like this, but I'm going to show my customer what's going on with this video, and recommending that we replace this filter and not just blow this one out, because this one is just packed with gunk. Okay, Toyota recommends serving this filter by just turning it on the back side here and using compressed air and blowing it all out as good as you can. You should be able to see a little bit of light through here. All right, but if you can't really see, you're going to want to replace this guy. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could. And if you want to see more Toyota content, just subscribe to the channel. But after you replace the filter, you just stick this panel back on. It goes, the right side goes in first here, and then we just clip it back on. Same thing for the other side. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.